Hi guys, this is Max and I just got a new external hard drive and I put it in a HDD enclosure. I connected everything, plugged in everything, and let's see if it's get connected. So it appears here. However, when I go to my files and this PC, the XSE's EC7352 does not appear here. So what we're gonna do is go to the search bar. Just type disk management and this will pop out. So here I do see there's this one and it shows as online but unallocated. So what I'll do is right click and put create new simple volume and next and you can choose the details. I'll name this as backups. Use NTFS, or I think in this case I will use an exFAT because we don't know if in the future we will need to use it on a Mac. Alright, next. Finish. And there we go. It comes up. And this PC, ta-da! So now you can start using this drive, and I hope this video has helped you, and if it did, subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.